Jason Allen here from Play It Software, and today we're going to look at how you can automatically adjust the tempos and segues of tracks using the Auto Adjust feature. So here we are in Play It Live version 2.13. As you can see, we have an hour of music that is currently being played, but you can see it has a slight overrun at the top. This will result in the fixed time marker at the start of the next hour, cutting off the last track of the hour early. We could resolve this by selecting some different tracks or manually adjusting segues to try and reduce the overrun, but this is not practical to do this for every hour. To overcome this, we can use the Auto Adjust feature, which you can find under Tools and Auto Adjust. The Auto Adjust feature is a premium feature, part of the Advanced Scheduling module. If you don't have the Advanced Scheduling module, you can try it out by clicking on the AS icon and clicking on Start Trial. Back on the Auto Adjust window, you can see a preview of the automatic adjustments that Play It Live will make to the end of the current hour or to the target time of the next fixed time marker. From now on, I will just refer to this as the target time. First of all, Play It Live will soft delete any items that start beyond the target time. Soft deleting is a way of temporarily deleting an item so that you can restore it in the future should you need to. It will then adjust the tempo of any track with the type song up to the maximum set in the tempo settings here. It will then adjust segues, shortening and fading any track with the type song to fit to the target time up to the maximum segue settings here. To apply the adjustment, click the Apply button. As you can see, the overrun to the end of the hour is now 0, and you can see there are some tempo adjustments for each song track. If we edit one of these segues, you can see that the track has been shortened and faded early. If you weren't happy with the adjustment, you can always revert the changes by clicking the Revert button on the Auto Adjust window. So now that you have seen how Auto Adjust works, let's look at how you might apply it automatically on a schedule. For this, we have two options. We can add it to a scheduled event, which runs at a specific time, or we can add it as a scheduled event action within clocks and the playout log. To set up a scheduled event, go to Manage and Scheduled Events and click on Add New. Enter a name for the event, such as Auto Adjust, and select how often you want to repeat this event. So for example, I'm going to select every hour. I will then add an action and select Auto Adjust. Click on OK to save the changes. Now, every hour at the selected time, the scheduled event will run and it will auto adjust to the next target time. The settings that are used for auto adjust are the same settings you see in the Auto Adjust window. Alternatively, within a scheduled clock, you can add a scheduled event action item, which will run after a particular item in the playout log. For example, if I go to Manage and Clocks, you can see I have a clock called Automation, which runs every hour in my day in my clock schedule. I can add a new line to this clock and select Scheduled Event Action, and then select the Auto Adjust action. When this clock is scheduled into the playout log, the Auto Adjust action will be scheduled there as well. So if I save this clock and ensure it is scheduled via Manage and Clock Schedule, There it is. Then go to Manage and Playout Log and select the next R and click Schedule. If there's already something scheduled, you'll need to click Unschedule. You will see that the Auto Adjust action is scheduled into the Playout log. With Playout running, let's fast forward in time to see what that looks like when the scheduled event action is running within the Playout log.
All your favourite music. This is Play It Radio.
So you can see the top of the R hit the fixed time marker, played the first jingle of the R, and then applied the auto adjust action. You can see that this R is no longer overrunning at all. That's all I've got to show for the very powerful auto adjust feature in Play It Live. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please click the like button below and leave your comments in the comments section below. And to keep up to date with the latest goings on at Play It Software, you can subscribe to us on YouTube and like us on Facebook. I've been Jason Allen from Play It Software.